Alright, hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is What's a Cheat, Jackson, Grims, or Kicks, whatever you want to call me. We'll just be clicking build here, because I'm going to be releasing Glock, which is the name of me and OG's private cheat. We'll be releasing a public version of it that's a bit watered down, but it should be pretty good. I left on the lock view for everybody who loves lock view aura, and I left on a few other things. The lock view aura does bypass, by the way. I took out the speed bypass because I was told by OG to take out the speed. So sorry about that. I do have quite a few modules though, so I guess I'll just showcase them here. So our modules include anti-velocity, autopot, auto soup, bow aimbot, killer, name protect, overlay, retard, sprint, and x-ray, which is basically everything you need to play. So yeah, so now that we've went ahead and done that, we're just gonna exit IntelliJ. Alright, so go to my folder. Yep, here it is right here that we just made. Alright then, and then we're just gonna go ahead and alright, so I don't know why that was in there. Anyway. There's no meta inf in here for some odd reason, but let's go ahead and add in the assets. Just grab our 1.8 assets. Or not. My Lunar wants to crash. There's probably a huge FPS drop there. But anyway, let's go ahead and drag that in. I just realized that in the process I'm making an IntelliJ compiling tutorial. Yeah, cringe. Alright, anyway. So I added that in. So did I just leave it there? Wow, I feel like a dummy. Alright, just Alright, so just go ahead and grab the JSON creator. Just hop on H&E. Community cracks. And loud noise. Alright, so it makes JSON. I don't know how loud that's going to be, or if it's even making sound. So, yeah. I have no clue what's going on there. But I believe I just turned it off again, didn't I? Yep. Alright, anyway, just drag that in. Now let me make sure this is the correct JSON format. So, yeah, looks correct to me. Okay then, I guess, and it's just gonna be like, wait, yeah, I guess it's just gonna be like that. Anyway, then we're gonna go over to Glock. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and install it. I'm gonna turn it on. If it's gonna want to launch, I believe it should launch. Hey, it launched and it shows everything, so that's good. So yeah, Just go ahead and hop in there. Just join the server. So, yeah, we're alright, so as you can see, the client is on. Name protect's broken, don't use it. X-ray, so past the X-ray. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And also, as you can see, the Minecraft gift textures for Christmas. This be a Christmas release, and we also have a retard in there, which I guess I'll just ask if I'm retarding. I don't know if Robin's on. You can't hit people when you have retard enabled because it flags you for fight direction. So yeah, and then alright. Anyway, sprint, obvious module. Alright, well, I guess we'll just show auto suit. There's no world modules yet. Just ignore those. So auto suit. Alright, so we'll just let it. Boom. No flags. It does flag when you're hitting though, like stops your hitting for a second. Because it's sending a packet to switch your inventory slot. Alright, so now we're going to be looking at some of the commands that we have here. So .kap toggles kill aura focusing on players. So I guess I'll just showcase that I guess here. So this is what the kill aura looks like. It locks your view. This is me not touching the mouse. It switches if your targets are in between each other. I guess Arithmo will be my best target here. So just head snaps obviously, but gets around and it gets quicker. If you're outside it's a little bit slower. And then it's 10 CPS exactly. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me just get weapons so I can showcase this bow aimbot while I'm over here. So bow aimbot moves head over its Valkyries from Beasts. So then we're gonna go ahead and showcase the commands. So we're gonna start with the .kap, which toggles focusing on players. So you turn this on, you won't hit players. Turn it back on, hit players. So I'm going to turn that off now. So now you can hit invisibles. I don't have any invisibles to focus on, so I'm not going to show that. So this is animals, so I guess the best place to showcase this will be over here. Oh, as you can see, switching between the animals. Surprisingly, no flags. Alright, and then we're gonna turn that off. I don't have any mobs to showcase the mobs. So yeah, that's the commands. We do have a toggle or T. You can do either. So it's .t. So I guess we'll just toggle kill aura that way. I believe I have a bind as well. Yeah, no bind. Alright. So yeah, pretty cool client overall. Pretty much has everything you need for like a successful client. It only has a few modules because it's still early release. It was supposed to be private, but I thought I'd release a version of it for Christmas. Hope everybody enjoys. Yeah. And then X-ray, obviously, opacity, because opacity X-ray is cool, and I made a tutorial on it, and I felt like, you know, remaking it for Glock. So it's in prototype as well. But I guess that's it for today, guys. I hope everybody enjoys. Client will be in the description. I showed how to install it as well, so hope everybody enjoys. And bye.